Your car just went through a heavy downpour and now it won't start? Don't panic. Rainwater can sneak into places it shouldn't, and I'll show you how to fix it before you call a tow truck. Stick around and tap subscribe for more quick fixes. First, start with the most common culprit, your battery. Moisture or corrosion around the battery terminals can block current flow. Pop the hood and look for white or green buildup around the terminals. If you see it, disconnect the cables, negative first, and clean with a brush and baking soda mix. Dry it thoroughly before reconnecting. If your battery looks good, check your ignition system next. Water can pool in spark plug wells or short out ignition coils, especially after driving through puddles. Remove one plug wire or coil and look for moisture. Use compressed air or a clean towel to dry the area before reinstalling. Quick tip: if this helps, hit like, save this video, and share it with a friend who drives in the rain. Still nothing? Check your fuse box and air intake. Water can short critical relays or sensors. Open your fuse box. If you see moisture, use compressed air or contact cleaner to dry it. Also, check your air filter. If it's soaked, your engine may be suffocating from lack of air. Once everything's dry, try starting the car again. If it fires up, let it idle for a few minutes to burn off any remaining moisture. If not, it's time to call for diagnostic help. But you've already ruled out the top 3 issues. If this got you started, like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your car model.